Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the strongest looking cryptocurrencies on the market. This gives me a feeling of the early days of Ethereum. Now this cryptocurrency is around a $5 billion market cap and it still has not been listed on a tier 1 exchange. So I definitely think there's a lot of upside potential for this. And so we can see here Bitcoin is dropping down a little bit. We hit about $70,000 earlier today. Now it is down about 3.5% in the last 24 hours. We have Ethereum down around 3,300. However, if we take a look at KASPA down here, currently ranked number 23, is currently still pushing all-time highs. We're almost crossing 20 cents there. We can see this is just under a $5 billion market cap. And so I am looking at some upside potential here for KASPA. And there is many reasons for that. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the KASPA chart here. And so as I mentioned, we are very close to all-time highs here. We are pushing a ceiling right around 20 cents. And so we have been talking about KASPA on the channel here since it was trading around about 1.5 cents. And so we are up significantly on this position. And so we can see we are forming a very similar situation as we did before. We can see before we had a good run up, we consolidated for quite some time, and then we did hit a ceiling here right around 5 cents. And then from there we can see we had a massive move up, right? We went from 5 cents all the way up to about 15 cents, a 300% return. And so we can see the same structure here is taking place. We have consolidated over the last few months, and now we're right at that ceiling right around 20 cents. And so I am looking for a break above that. And so once we do break above 20 cents, I believe that we will see a massive move on KASPA. Now, if you're interested in leverage trading KASPA, you can check out the link underneath the video to Margex, where you can leverage trade and you can open up long or short positions on many different cryptocurrencies. And KASPA is one of those on here. And so definitely make sure to check that out. And so for one of the reasons I think that KASPA is so bullish here is because miners are even becoming bullish on KASPA. Let's check this out here from the CEO of Mara.
But if you're already mining Bitcoins, why did you just purchase more Bitcoins?
So not only do we mine Bitcoin, but we mine things like KASPA. And if you think about 1 kilowatt hour of energy results in about 8 cents of Bitcoin revenues. And 1 kilowatt hour of energy results in about $1 of KASPA.
And so we can see there, right? They are getting more value by mining KASPA. And so with the halving of Bitcoin, it is becoming harder and harder to become profitable on Bitcoin. With the electricity cost and the halving reducing the amount of Bitcoin from mining, people are looking for alternatives. And so the Mara CEO here has recognized that, right? Versus the electricity cost, it is more profitable to be mining KASPA. And so they are starting to look into that. We can also see that here from the hash rate as well. This has been going up significantly. We can see back in July 9th here, we can see that the hash rate was around 388. And so since then it has risen all the way up to about 575. And so that has gone up significantly. However, the price has been moving sideways. And so I do expect the price here to start following the hash rate very soon, which is going to be a big upside move for KASPA as well. And so price oftentimes follows hash rate, and the reason for that is because it enhances the network security. It increases miner confidence and signals greater decentralization and stability. And so the heightened security and commitment from miners then attracts more investors who view it as a sign of growing strength and potential for future gains. And so it's definitely something very bullish to see for KASPA as well. And in addition to that, we have KRC20 smart contracts coming to KASPA. And so I do not know an exact launch date yet. However, this is going to be very bullish, right? This is going to be a platform for cryptocurrencies to build on. Whether that means that it is decentralized finance or it is going to be real world assets, there's many different narratives that could be building on KASPA. And so this is definitely very bullish, as this will start bringing utility to KASPA as well. And so we have tokenized assets, right? We have gaming and NFTs. We have supply chain and traceability. We have governance and voting. We could even have meme coins building on KASPA. And so there's definitely going to be a meme coin that does extremely well on KASPA here when the smart contracts do launch. And so that's definitely something to be paying attention to, as this will start drawing a lot more attention to KASPA moving forward, which I think will draw the price up significantly. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the top KASPA addresses here in address distribution. And so we can see over the last 30 days, people are continuing to buy KASPA, right? We can see all the addresses that have been added here. we do not see many people selling KASPA here, which is very bullish for KASPA moving forward. And so we do have some fear or uncertainty in the markets right now. Today, they announced that the US is starting to move some of the Bitcoin that they're holding. Now, I did make a video previous to this one explaining what I believe is happening there. I do not believe that they're going to be selling that Bitcoin. I believe it is moving over to Coinbase to be the custodian for their cryptocurrency. They may be holding on to it using Coinbase for the reserve. And so definitely make sure to check out that video as well. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And definitely make sure to check out that link underneath the video to Margex if you're interested in signing up for a leverage trading platform. It is a very simple platform to use, and there's also potential there to earn a $10,000 bonus. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.